Hello everyone from a sunny allotment plot. It's been a while since we've been down here and well shown you down here, so I thought I would give you a break from all the food and cooking and processing videos and show you the allotment. So it has been a little while since we've been down here. My torn shoulder has meant that I've not felt up to doing much down here, but I've got Nick down here today. What we've done is we've cleared this bed and I've just put some carrots in, and it looks like our rhubarb's ready to pick. But before we go over there, I'll just show you what I've sown. Actually, I've only done one at the moment, so I've done some early nonce, and then I got these which we've not grown before, so that'll be exciting. I'm going to put those in next to the early nonce, and then this will be a carrot bed, and then tomatoes will grow along the edge here and along the edge of that one, and I'll do the tunnel again. Our tunnel did get squashed in the storm, so yeah, we've got to do a new one of those. And then moving on to the back of the plot, this is will be our beetroot bed. We've prepared the ground. I'm just going to sow bolt-hardy in it, and then I just cluster sow, so that means I pick the baby ones and pickle them whole and then let the other ones grow on. We have done rainbow beetroot before and that's very nice, but do you know what? What we most use personally is chili pickled beetroot, and I know I've done lots of recipes recently. If you want me to do a recipe on those, because they are absolutely gorgeous, then let me know in the comments below. And while I'm talking about it, what do you think of all the recipe videos I'm doing? Do you like them? All the processing videos? Because personally I feel that we grow a lot of our allotment produce, and then a lot of us end up giving it away or not really knowing what to do with it. So for me it's important that we do processing as well, so that we can extend eating our own produce for a little while. So as I'm moving on, this is our strawberry beds, which have not come up yet. So this one I've separated a load of them out. This one I just need to get rid of the dead leaves. That one's not done yet. Here we have some purple sprouting broccoli growing. I shall pick that before it goes to seed, I think. And I think I'm going to take some rhubarb home. It's been a while, and as you've just seen, you just pull it down and pull it off. Don't cut rhubarb, because then you leave a little bit of it on the crown, which we don't want to do. And actually, before I started videoing, I dug up a couple of crowns, well 6, and I shall give them to my friend. I've given some to Wendy up at the top there. Nice to see her at the allotment. And yeah, it's nice to be able just to sit with such a huge patch, to be able to say to people, would you like a rhubarb crown, and then we can set them up with this delicious veg as well. Right, there's some for my friend, and to go with the crowns we're giving her as well. Oh, while I'm here, this is where we grew the wheat before. Nick has trimmed this down and covered it. This will be a sweet corn bed this year, and we're maybe thinking of doing oats the next year. So what do you think? Have you seen our wheat video? Was it did you find it of interest? Let me know. Okay, I'm just about to sow these giant red carrots. Now it says here at the bottom, carrot seed doesn't keep from year to year, so do sow the whole packet. Well, I've never found that carrot seed doesn't keep, so I'll sow as much as I can of these, and because they are from real seeds, you can keep the seeds on these and grow them next year. So I shall just get these in the ground. So my last row was here, So I'm going to leave, what's that, maybe 8 inches. And I'll just do a line like this in the ground. Now this is where I'm regretting not bringing my tripod. Normally I wouldn't sprinkle them quite like this. I would just take a pinch and sprinkle. But we're basically going to do this down the line. Do you want to thin out carrots as they grow to allow the roots to get nice and big? And there we are, all done. And as you can see, I've used some branches just to stop the fox using these as a litter tray, which if you follow our channel you'll know that this is a regular occurrence. I've missed this while I was filming the carrots and planting the carrots, but Nick has been dealing with the tree which has fallen down onto Rose's shed, so we're just trying to get rid of that. And I better get out of the way before Rose takes my eye out with the branches. But this is actually ideal because we need some new branches for the beds. So yeah, we'll leave them to that. Got the beetroot to do and then we're off. So I have just drawn some lines. You can see they're a bit wonky. That's what a torn shoulder will do for you. It's really hard for me to grip anything at the moment, but I'm going to get this beetroot sown. As I said, we're just doing a standard bolt-hardy, and I'm going to do the whole bed and not successionally sow because we do eat most of our beetroot preserved, pickled or dried. So yeah, if I pull the whole lot at once, that'll be good, but I will be pulling baby beetroot to start off with and then letting some grow on. And if you're new to beetroot, this is what the seed looks like. They come in little clusters. So it's a cluster of seeds rather than one seed at a time. And I just pop a couple along and let them grow, because beetroot will grow in a cluster and they kind of push each other out. So you don't need to thin beetroot, which is handy. Okay, I've had to stop there because I only had enough seed to do 3 rows, so I've just marked them with sticks, and Rose was getting the sticks for me, so we've got some for when we bring the next packet down. So that is all from us today. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Take care everybody. Bye bye.